Hello, this is a quick demo of how to use the cernvm appliance to start instances on the Clemson OneCloud. If you don't know about cernvm, you can go to the website cernvm.cern.ch. You'll have a download area and then a user support area. In the download area, you'll see that you'll have your choice of hypervisor and your choice of cernvm version, the latest being 2.4.0. In my case, I downloaded the x86 desktop version of the cernvm for VirtualBox. Then I went in the user support area, documentation, running in VirtualBox on Mac, installation, and I just followed this beautiful installation procedure complete with a snapshot of how to use VirtualBox to set it up. Once you go through all of this, you'll be able to configure the cernvm appliance, and then you'll get access to this XFCE interface of the VM. Now to talk to the cloud, what you'll need to do is to create a .ec2 directory in your home, and in this home you'll have definition of cloud endpoint. For demo purposes here, I'm printing the potential Clemson region endpoint where you have credentials being defined here with the access and the secret access key, and then the service itself, which is the URL of the endpoint here, chimney cs@clemson.edu port 8443. I'm not printing the credentials, for pretty obvious security reasons. Once you have those that region defined, you'll use the CVM tools that are installed within the cernvm appliance. You specify the region, Clemson, and then ls-i is the command to actually list the images available. So here we see that we have 4 images available. And if we want to start one of those images, we'll basically do run to start an instance, AMI, for example, the one which was AMI 00021, and specify an instance type m1.small, which actually might be the default. Once you start this, here in that particular case, you see that I'm using the credentials actually of a friend while we were debugging this, Predrag Buncic, the leader of the cernvm project. So the image has apparently started. To see what's happening, what's the state of the image, you simply do the ls command, and you see that you have actually 2 instances in running mode. You have their IP address, in that particular case a private IP address. Here they are in running mode, they're using the m1.small instance type, and you have the date. Now if you want to terminate one of them, you'll just do the terminate command on the instance ID, here 274. And we wait a little bit. Here you go. And once we do ls again, we'll see that the status of that 274 instance is now in shutting down mode. So that was a very quick overview of how to use the cernvm to access the Clemson OneCloud. Next video will show you how to specify some template for your instances and pass all of that information in the EC2 user data, and later on access the VM. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.